What is hypopressives? Hypopressives is a breathing and a postural technique. It is a full body approach to your core and pelvic health. It's a core restoration and maintenance program. When we talk about the core muscles, we're talking about the inner deepest layer of muscles. So this is the diaphragm, the transverse abdominis that runs that across, it's that deep abdominal muscle, the pelvic floor, as well as the muscles along the spine, the multifidi. These muscles are designed to work together and function as a unit. These muscles are also muscles that are meant to function and operate in an anticipatory manner, an automatic manner. So how we train them through the hypopressive technique is we use postures and poses that take into consideration the full body, head to toe, all the way to the fingertips. And then we couple it with a specific and unique breathing pattern. When we do this, we train these muscles under low pressure to function together. The low pressure piece is really unique to hypopressives. What we're referring to is low intra-abdominal pressure. Unlike everything we do on earth with gravity and lifting and moving things and exercising where we create pressure, hypopressives is more about low pressure. This can be really beneficial for anyone who has pelvic floor dysfunction, so incontinence, because part of the pelvic floor function is to prevent incontinence, whether bowel or bladder. It's to prevent the descent of our pelvic organs. Pressure in our intra-abdominal space can also affect our lower back. So our lower back, for example, somebody with a disc injury doesn't love high pressure intra-abdominal pressure. So the hypopressive technique is quite valuable for people with back pain. It's also really beneficial for those people with hernias, whether that's an inguinal or an umbilical hernia, because we're training these muscles to operate in a low pressure environment. The other part of these muscles is they support our organs in the intra-abdominal cavity, so they can help with things like chronic constipation. It can help with general posture and improving that, which can ultimately improve a number of symptoms, make you feel better, posture's better, pain can be reduced. There's a number of other benefits that come along with hypopressives. So that in a nutshell is hypopressive technique. If you have any further questions, be sure to reach out to us so that we can either teach you the technique or answer your questions about hypopressives.